Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So join me as I go to eat at my favorite restaurant. This was me opening the salad, little for me to know that I would not like the taste. What would I do? I ate it all to the end because it's my money and I'm not gonna let it waste. The moment I tasted it, I just knew that something is off. It is off. Then I had it with the rice and I was like, hell no. Bao. Instant regret. I instantly started regretting because the salad was not salading at all. But I kept my steez. I kept maintaining my steez because it's not me that will disgrace myself outside though. Lie. So I ate it all and I finished it because I'm not going to let the money to waste. But other than that, I enjoyed every single part of the food. I enjoyed the rice because I always like to eat the rice. The rice is nice. I enjoyed the rice so much, but that salad was not hitting, though I enjoyed the rice. If you can tell, you would notice the way I was forcing myself to eat the salad because I don't know, but for some reason I don't just understand. I don't understand the salad. It's not sweet. It's just, should I say the person that did it don't know how to do it? The person should don't know how to do it. The person should don't know how to do it. This was me complaining to my mom that I don't like it because I went there with my mom. Maintaining my steez. Can you find girl ever? The salad kept making the food so exhausting, but I don't have a choice. I have to finish it. Eh? Anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed my food, but this salad was not hitting. Bye, guys.